Hey guys, it is 12:17 p.m. right now. I am laying down because I'm actually watching a movie right now, and I have the TV paused because I wanted to do something, and so I didn't film all day because I was doing stuff, and then I still need to rest and relax my voice a lot because it still hurts and I'm still coughing a lot, so I'm so thankful that I managed to get a quick little appointment in to my doctor today, and now I have a prescription that I need to take, but it technically needs to be taken around the same time every day, so I'm going to start it tomorrow. But I really need to rest a lot, and this is a long movie. It is called The Good Dinosaur because I got curious by it. I wanted to know kind of not exactly what it was about, but I was curious by it, so I turned it on and I got interested in it, and I'm like, wait, I think this is one of the movies I've been wanting to see in theaters. So it's actually on TV right now. So there's that, and my dog Miller version. I put the blanket on him, and my battery's about to die. So I will probably see you guys later. Bye. Alright, I'm gonna try my best to show you guys something. Not on my phone, but like my dog's reaction to something, because this is kind of hilarious to me. So if he does it again. I'm sorry. It's a cat having a reflection in the mirror of itself, looking at itself in the mirror, thinking that there's another cat in the mirror when it's its own reflection. Sorry about that, guys. I hope you guys just heard my dog. Oops. Oh my gosh. He loves to, like, howl at everything now. So I try my best not to, like, show him a lot of videos, otherwise he'll start howling at them. So, I don't know, what is this? I don't know why he's crying. I don't know if he's gonna let a howl out or not. How cute.
Where are you, Stella?
Okay, I can do this like forever. Go video after video after video until I hit the end. Like literally. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What are you crying for, dog? Why are you crying, puppy? Seriously, Bailey. I don't know what you're crying about, doggy. You have food in your bowl. If you're that hungry, you're gonna go eat your food, got it? So don't be crying at me for that. Don't bug me for it and then not eat it. Okay? Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Oh my god. okay, baby. He's just watching some funny videos. It's okay. Come on. Relax. Relax your head. Relax, 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 baby. What? I'm just watching funny videos on my phone. You don't gotta highlight every single noise you hear. Okay? Yeah, you like this, don't you? You like this ear scratch, don't you? You like this ear scratch, don't you? You like this ear scratch. You're okay, Gigi. Now go eat your food. I gave you some. My battery's literally about to die. I did actually want to show you that. Really quickly, I was not trying to get my dog to howl at all, but it doesn't matter the video I watch, he just likes to howl at them for some reason. And I'm still trying my best to rest my voice, so it's why I haven't filmed like all day practically today. So yeah, it is 5:55 p.m. right now. I am super tired. I don't even know what to do anymore. Not what to do. I know what to do, I'm just like super tired. So yeah, there's that, and how do I put it? I'm really exhausted right now. I don't know why, but I am. I'm trying to think of something before my battery dies. Who knows when that's gonna be though. Ooh, okay, I actually have a different one. Okay, so I have another question for you guys. Inspired by these, because I needed something soft to eat. And I got the blueberry kind as like a healthier option, even if they're not all that healthy for you. I don't care, I like them as snacks anyways. Whether I'm feeling sick or not, I still like them as a snack. Which are the Little Bites blueberry muffins. No advertising or promotions intended, but this is a snack that I absolutely do love. And my question for you guys is, what is your favorite kind? And to be honest, I don't think I've tried the chocolate chip one. One I know I have not tried yet is the, what's it called? The one I know that I haven't tried is the confetti cake one. I have not tried that, but my favorites at the moment is the blueberry muffins out of the muffin section, but I also love their Little Bites brownies. So just please let me know in the comments down below what your favorite Little Bites snack is, or like what your favorite Little Bites muffin is. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye. Alright, quick little bonus footage. Very quickly. I want you guys to see the bird's nest is so cute. You are so cute. Here's the bird. Here's the bird. Look how cute. There's a stick. Look how cute that bird is. Like seriously, look how cute. I'm gonna try to show you from a different angle too. I'm gonna try to show you guys from a different angle as well. This is so cute. Look how cute. I don't know what my dog's doing now. Haley. Hi, baby. Stay. You stay. Don't act like you don't gotta go when you do. No. Hey. My dog's always super stubborn. He always acts like he doesn't gotta go potty, and then he actually ends up having to go potty. So I make him go outside. But I really wanted to show you guys the bird's nest really quick and give you guys like an update. It's actually been there for like probably like a little over a week now. Hey, I'm so happy. It's so cute. Little bird's nest is so cute. I love it. Just so adorable. I love nature. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!